So, I'm going to upload a video of all the sounds of bosses from Cuphead. No DLC. Mini bosses included. So, if you're looking for the DLC included, I would scram. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm Mr. King, guys. I never play nice. I'm devil's right hand man. Sorry. So, first up, the root pack. Okay, I'm gonna read them, okay? Overworld. Moon. Sow sputter. The potato pops out from the ground. Sow sputter, still the potato spitting out dirt. Sow sputter, spitting out a worm. If you don't get that, a sputter or a spud is another way to say potato. Ollie bulb / the onion sprouts out from the ground. You might know Ollie bulb from this. She's so annoying! Ollie bulb defeated. Chauncey Chantonnay rises from the ground. That's the carrot. The carrot, because that was very hard to pronounce using his psychic powers. The carrot shooting beams from his third eye. The carrot is defeated. Unused, a voice placeholder for Sow Sputter and, I'm going to say it, Chauncey Chantonnay coming out from the ground in older builds for the game. Let's listen to that again. Unused, an early sound of Chauncey's homing carrot's attack starting. Okay, now Mr. King dies. I never play nice. I'm the devil's right hand man. Now next is Goopy La Grande. And also, if I forget any, please tell me in the comments. It is very annoying for me to just go through one. Goopy's, Overworld. Sorry, my autism is kicking in. Goopy's intro. Goopy bouncing. Goopy lunging to attack. Ignore my brother. Goopy in the process of enhancing his size. Enlarged Goopy punching. An enlarged Goopy in a daze. The headstone taunting Cuphead and Mugman. Goopy defeated. Okay, and that's a wrap for Goopy. Goodbye, Goopy. I'm not showing the knockouts because they might traumatize any children like me watching. I mean, well, I'm recording. Sorry, I got some. So, anyways, the third boss. Who do you count as the third boss? I'm going to safely say it's Ribby and Croaks. Sorry. Okay, so now, Overworld. Give a win! Ninga! I say. Croaks introduction followed by Ribby. That's Croaks, and this is Ribby's. Ribby using his first attack. Sorry. Ribby accidentally crashing into something. Croaks using his arms to create a fan. Ribby and Croaks fusing into a slot machine. Okay, that didn't sound so bad. Now, everybody, it's time for the flower guy. Cacti Carnation do this. What the heck? Okay, Overworld. It's so calming. 8 minutes long already? We've only got like the 4 bosses. Cagney's introduction. The noise Cagney makes before unleashing a boomerang seed. Cagney turning into and using a Gatling gun. Oh, he does this. He's like, and his nose becomes like the barrel. If you don't remember. Toothy Terrors. Unused. Cagney laughing. I actually like that laugh. It sounds pretty devilish. Considering he's a pretty hard boss, in my opinion. Cagney using his lunge attack. Cagney transforming into his face too. That's like when he does this. Cagney spitting out pollen. Unused. Cagney angry after being defeated on simple mode. Why did they cut that? It actually sounds good. Unused. Cagney groaning in pain after being defeated. That's when, if any parents are watching with their kids, they probably click off. Okay, so we got Hildeberg. That is not the Cuphead wiki. Sorry, I'm trying to find where she's on the wiki. Oh, there it is, I think. Yep, there it is. I completely skipped over it. There was a second Cuphead wiki that kinda lied to me. Okay, Overworld. Power. It sounds like a balloon. Like you're blowing into a balloon and then let go. My balloon! It popped! Hildeberg's introduction. Hildeberg attacking by laughing. Hildeberg attacking as Taurus. Hildeberg attacking as Gemini. Hildeberg attacking as Sagittarius. Hildeberg's painful transformation. This is what I would say is probably one of the most famous sounds in Hildeberg's boss fight. Oh! Sorry. Hildeberg extending her gears out. Unused. Hildeberg saying Coleman before turning into a Zodiac. Coleman. And don't forget, you're here forever. Hey, someone liked my comment. Sorry. So, first boss for Equal Eye 2. Okay, so let's start with Baroness Bonbon. I think I spelled Baroness wrong, but okay. Yep, I spelled Baroness wrong, but sound effects. Let's go there. Overworld. Baroness Bonbon's introduction. Bonbon expressing her anger for the defeat of her subjects. Oh my! Bonbon's angry grunts. Baroness Bonbon ordering her castle to give chase. She is mad! Okay, so now we're off to see the Wizard. The whatever was involved. Just kidding. Did Jimmy the Great. Ooh, ah, what the heck? Bing dop, bing a boom, buck, bing buck, boom, buck, boom, 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 boom. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, sound effects. Overworld. Overworld. Sorry. Did Jimmy's introduction. Did Jimmy launches his skull? It sounds like the devil. Did Jimmy meditating? Did Jimmy laughing? Did Jimmy enter his sarcophagus? The sarcophagus exits, now emotional. Did Jimmy hatches a plan? So, that's it for now. Who would you count as the third boss for Inkworld? I think it should be Baby the Cloud. Darn, darn. Overworld. Was that Krusty? Beppy's introduction. Beppy crashes his bumper car. Beppy crying and falling off his horse. Beppy reappearing as a chair swing. That's personally my favorite sound effect. This sound. Okay, one more time, and I'm gonna pretend to be Beppy. Okay. Oh. Okay, Beppy spitting out a penguin. Okay, now who should we do? Ding, 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 dong, ding, ding, dong. Grand Matchstick. What's that? Grand Matchstick. Say it louder. Grand Matchstick. Ow, not so loud. Fine, I'll do Grand Matchstick. Okay. Overworld. Overworld. That sounds menacing. Maybe he's just snoring. Like, Grim Matchstick advocating and deactivating his P-shot mode. Grim Matchstick coughing out meteors. Oh, he needs to go to a doctor. Grim Matchstick using his tail for attacking. That's when he does it. See. Grim Matchstick dashing through the sky. Grim Matchstick snorting out fire. Grim Matchstick snorting out smoke. Grim Matchstick's transformation. Grim Matchstick defeated. Wally Warbles. Should I do Willy Warbles? Should I do it? You gotta tell me, should I do it? I'm gonna do it! Overworld. Wally and his cuckoo clock. Wally's introduction. Wally spitting out an egg projectile. Wally whistling in frustration. Wally attacking with his feathers. Wally trying to catch his breath. Wally, wait. Oh, wait. Sorry. Just gotta search up Willy Warbles, and then we'll be on our merry way into Inkwell Isle 3. Sound effects. Willy using his pistol. Willy crying. Man, shut up! Shut up. Okay, so where was I? Yes. Okay. Wally trash talking. Wally regurgitating. Wally Warbles defeated. That's funny. Or is it? Okay, so let's start with the rumor. Rumor honey bottoms. Yep. And by the way, I'm not gonna do any mini bosses. I know I probably said something else earlier, but I'm not going to because I just remembered last time I tried to, it didn't work. Okay, rumor honey bottoms. Rumor's introduction. Get ready for a very sus sound. I know. Wait, can I make this more sus? I can make it more sus. Rumor honey bottom snickers before dropping below. Rumor tosses her spellbook aside and she starts her transformation into a plane. Did that just hit a baby? Yes, it did. Why does Rumor hate babies? Rumor flies downward as an airplane. Rumor uses her buzzsaw to attack. Is it just weird? Did that sound like Ursula? Not that, but the laugh. Rumor is defeated. Okay, so who should I do next? Okay, so it says the second boss is who is it? Who is it? Who is it? I said an equal aisle 3. That's equal aisle 2. Let's just do Warner Warman. Bing, bong, ding, a boom, bong, ding, a boo. Okay, sound effects and Warner's introduction. Warner acting snarky. Warner loads ammo into his catapult. Warner charges faintly, I don't know, across the floor. Remember, I'm only in 5th grade. The malfunction and explosion of Warner's tank. Going up, going down. Warner panics as his tank refuses to operate. Katzenwagen appears to swallow Warner whole. He's not actually dead. He actually controls Katzenwagen. Katzenwagen, after letting out spectral breaths with its mouth. The laughter of the spectral. Yeah. Okay. What's that? Who's next? What? Captain Briny Beard. What? Captain Briny Beard. What? Speak louder. Captain Briny Beard! Okay, you didn't have to shout, bro. Why did you shout at me? You shouted at me. You shouted at me. Now I'm gonna... Sorry, I had to. It was just me being me. Okay, now let's actually do this. Captain Briny Beard. Okay, Captain Briny Beard's introduction. The barrel dropping itself down. Captain Briny Beard whistling for help. The shark signals its arrival. The dogfish signal their arrival. The signal arrives. The squid arrives. The ship chewing and spitting out a cannonball. The ship transforms, warning loud. The loudest sound in the game. Yeah, right. What's supposed to be loud? Captain Beard screaming when defeated on simple mode. The ship fires a beam. That's louder than the ship transforming. I think that ship's transforming the loudest sound in the game was a joke, because listen to it. Versus I think the ship fires a beam is louder, but what does Grayson know? Okay. Who's next? Maria. Overworld.
Who's Sammy?
I'm recording a video. Go, Cooper. Cooper, go. Go.
Hey, look. This skeleton is stuck.
I hope you didn't miss me too much. Okay, Color Maria's introduction. Color Maria cackling as she disappears into the sea. Color Maria's reaction to her fish slipping from her fingers. Color Maria summoning a random sea creature for assistance. The turtle enters. The seahorse enters. Yay! Color Maria breathing and birthing. Ew! Up goes Pirates of the Wrath. Color Maria screaming in pain as she is turned into a gorgon. Color Maria cackling as a gorgon. It's not 1 second, it's 2. Color Maria shooting a petrifying gaze. Color Maria's body turning into stone and breaking apart. Color Maria firing a petrifying ghost from her eyes. I think I recognize that laugh.
Me too.
Cooper, you need to go. You need to leave before I chase you out.
Can I have this?
Yes. Run. Okay. I locked the door so nobody can get in. What's that? That might sound a little harsh. It is. But I want to be left alone. But anyways, so who's next? So Safe Bay? Okay. Welcome to the Cuphead Show. Welcome to the Cuphead Show. Overworld. Sally teleporting. This one's kind of weird. Sally stage play crying. This is because her husband died because of you and Cuphead or Mugman. And only Ken will forgive you that. Sally attacking with her kicks and kisses. What they mean is Sally reacting in shock at the beginning of the second phase. Sally laughing as she sends out the wind-up toys. Sally whining as she turns into an angel. Sally cackling as a meteor is sent out. Sally defeated. Ow! Don't think she enjoyed that very much. But anyways, who's next? You might know him as Dr. Call's robot / the hardest boss in the entire game. And people think he's easy. You need to go to a mental asylum. Boom, 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 boom. Did I skip over there again? I skipped over it again. Dark Crawl's back. Oh, turn your scrub. Let's do that. Okay, sound effects. Overworld. That's people who think Dr. Call's robot is easy, laughing at people who think Dr. Call's robot is hard. The first one. Dr. Call and his robot's introduction. The automaton's laughter. The Automon's antenna breaks. The Automon's lower chest breaks. The Automon's upper chest breaks. The Automon's, that's how I'm saying it now, heart springs out. The Automon's heart breaks. Boo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Dr. Call popping out from his robot's mobile head. Dr. Call laughing while using the diamond. The next one is probably one of the most, if not the most famous sounds from Cuphead. finally, the Phantom Express. Yep, we're gonna watch the entire movie. Just kidding. The Blind Spectre. Okay, everybody, let's get to work. Okay. The Blind Spectre appearing in a spooky manner. Ooh. The Blind Spectre attacking. The Blind Spectre defeated. The Conductor appearing. The Conductor defeated. The Lollipop Ghouls pop out. The Lollipop Ghouls attacking. The Lollipop Ghouls defeated. The head of the train steaming with rage as Cuphead and Mugman pass by. The head of the train beginning to give chase. The head of the train defeated. Now, boom, 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 dum, da, 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 da. Okay, that one's just bad because isn't Cuphead a minor? I'm just trying to go through sound effects. King Dice exit the die house in style. King Dice's introduction. The transition to the loading screen that makes the player to fight against King Dice's minions. King Dice snickering if the player lands on a safe space. King Dice cackling if the player lands on the start over space. This man's just evil. King Dice laughing if the player lands on a mini boss space and has no heart. King Dice chuckling as he attacks with his cards. King Dice moaning in pain after being defeated. That's what he's like. I'm the devil. Cuphead. Sorry. Overworld. Finally get those contracts. The devil laughing in the bad ending. The devil's introduction. The devil laughing. The devil's goat transformation. The devil's serpent transformation. The devil's spider transformation. The devil chanting while using his pitchfork. The skeleton escapes. Unused, the devil awakens. The devil frustrated. The devil crying. These are fake tears. He's not really crying. The devil defeated when he does this. And for this, it's a rare time where I do show you the defeat of the devil. Because I do not want any kids who watch to the end to be like, what the freakity-deekity-doo? So, here it is. Wait, so that actually fit perfectly. I hope you saw that. Goodbye. That's the end of the video. A couple minutes, like 20, like under 20 minutes, short of an hour.